I'm Dan O'Dowd, and I approve this message.
Next year, for sure, we will have over 1 million robo-taxis on the road. You say, what would be the probable gross profit from a single robo-taxi? We think probably something on the order of $30,000 per year.
Elon Musk promised to pay 1 million customers $30,000 a year if they bought his car. They bought his car, so where's their money?
You say, what is the net present value of a robo-taxi? Probably on the order of a couple $100,000.
He promised customers if they bought his car, its value would increase to $200,000. They bought his car, so where's their money?
It would be like, okay, if you made $50 billion worth of cars, it would be like having $50 billion of incremental profit.
He promised investors if they bought his stock, they would get $50 billion a year in profits from robo-taxis. They bought his stock, so where's their money?
Yeah, if you do 20 PE on that, it's like $1 trillion.
And he told investors Tesla was worth $1 trillion by claiming Tesla was the leader in driverless robo-taxi technology. But Tesla doesn't have driverless robo-taxi technology. Tesla's full self-driving software requires a driver. Many other companies have already deployed driverless robo-taxis that are way ahead of Tesla's. So where's the investors' money? In the last year, Elon Musk pulled $48 billion out of Tesla, 7 times the profits they've ever made. His CEO compensation was 1,000 times the average for a Fortune 500 CEO. Elon, is your full self-driving software just $1 trillion Ponzi scheme? Did you become the wealthiest man in history by swindling customers and investors? I'm Dan O'Dowd, and I'm running for U.S. Senate because Congress needs to shut down Elon Musk's full self-driving fiasco.